Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy George, GWORKS Elite Auto Finish. Never ride dirty, boogie down Bronx, you already know. So today I'm going to be showing you the GWORKS foam cannon in action with my cherry soap. Alright, so here we go. I got it all mixed up already. I gotta start getting ready for the season. Season is opening up. Today's 69 degrees out here, so I gotta get this van in order. But I'm going to be showing you my foam cannon with the GWORKS cherry soap. Alright, you want to be sure not to over tighten this bottle. Alright, let me make sure I got it all set right. Looks good. Let's go. Foam, baby, foam. So this is the GWORKS Elite Auto Finish Cherry Soap, alright? I even covered the license plate. Alright, now we're going to be testing the blue foam in the GWORKS foam cannon. It's already mixed. Foam, baby, foam! Yes, sir. Check out the online store. I got a lot of stuff, wholesale pricing on the microfibers. Come on, look at that, man. This stuff is super slick also. If you ain't picked yours up yet, what are you waiting for? Covers the plate number. Look at that. Alright, everyone, just for proper maintenance of your foam cannon to keep it from clogging. Once you're done with your day, you just add water in there, no soap, and run the water through. This way you keep your foam cannon from getting clogged, because if it gets clogged, you won't get that foam, baby, foam effect. Alright, so this is just proper maintenance of keeping your foam cannon in tip-top working order. Alright, peace out. We have the all black microfiber wash mitt, tire dressing applicator sponge, and this one here is a big wash mitt here, as you can see. Alright, so if you wanted to, it's a microfiber, if you wanted to clean the barrels, you could get in there. Alright. And it also bends. So I have to tie in trim shine gel on the foam applicator. I usually put it on with a brush. Alright. And then even it out with this. My car is so low. And the good thing is it curves, so you could get in over here. And you don't want to put no pressure on it, you know, just glide it across the surface. There you go. Then I'll move the car up and get the underside. I don't want to get under there because all the dirt. There we go. It's all done. Tire and trim shine gel on the tires. Body nice and clean. A day in the life. Check out that online store if you still haven't.